Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to easily make your very own place cards. These are a great way to help your guests navigate and find their table. There are two ways to create your place cards, and I'm going to show you the more complicated way. But you can easily purchase the Avery template that I recommend for the design you choose, and you can quickly print these out yourself at home. The first thing you need to do is select one of our beautiful designs. We have a variety to choose from on creativeuniondesign.com, or you can check out our Etsy shop. After you have purchased the design that works for you, you can open your file in Adobe Reader and easily edit the place cards with your information. Editing and printing instructions are included on the PDF for easy referencing. When printing your place cards at home, you can simply edit, print the page, and repeat as many times as needed. If you are taking the file to a local copy center, you can create a folder on your desktop and name each page separately until you have all the names filled out for all of your place cards. Then simply save the file to a USB drive and you can take that directly to your copy center. Next, we are going to assemble the place cards. First, you will want to take the back of your X-Acto knife and score on the fold lines. Scoring just means that you are creating a crease line so that the paper will easily fold. I am using a 110-pound white matte cardstock that you can use to create all of your other matching items. Next, you can use the crop marks to trim away the edges. I recommend not fully cutting off the edges until you have used all of the crop marks. Then you can simply take each place card and fold. Your cards will stand perfectly so that your guests will easily find their seats. That's it! Now you have beautiful and functional place cards for your event. Just think of all the money you are going to save by easily creating your own place cards. I will include all the links to the products that I used in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.